Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you about the molecular basis of inheritance. It's a sixth chapter. In living organisms, two types of nucleic acids are found. Two types of nucleic acids are found in living organisms. What are they? One is deoxyribonucleic acid, and second one is the ribonucleic acid. Deoxyribonucleic acid (DNA), ribonucleic acid (RNA). In this chapter, we are going to discuss the structure of DNA and its application, the process of making RNA from DNA. The process of making RNA from DNA is known as transcription. Okay, and the genetic code that determines the sequence of amino acids in proteins. The process of protein synthesis. The process of protein synthesis translation. Okay, so in this chapter mainly we are discuss about the transcription, genetic code structure, synthesis of proteins. DNA acts as the genetic material in most of the organisms. How many types of nucleic acids are present? Two types of nucleic acids. What are they? One is DNA and second one is the RNA. DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, acts as the genetic material in most of the organisms. RNA, though, it also acts as a genetic material in some viruses. For example, HIV virus. In HIV virus, RNA is the genetic material, and the corona, the genetic material is RNA in coronavirus. And tobacco mosaic virus, already have learned about the structure of tobacco mosaic virus in first PUC. In tobacco mosaic virus, RNA is act as a genetic material. So RNA is also act as a genetic material in some viruses. Whereas in most of the organisms, DNA is act as a genetic material. It must be remembered, important for objective point of view. In most of the living organisms, DNA is act as a genetic material. In some viruses, RNA is act as a genetic material. RNA mostly functions as a messenger. Okay, and it functions as adapter and structural, and in some cases as a catalytic molecule. So this in detail concept we will learn later. Let us begin our discussion by first understanding the structure of the most interesting molecule in the living system, that is the DNA. The DNA is a long polymer of deoxyribonucleotides. Two strands are present in DNA molecule. DNA is a long polymer. Polymer means that consists of several nucleotides, deoxyribonucleotides. Deoxyribonucleotides. Okay. Nucleotides means the combination of nitrogen base, sugar and phosphates known as nucleotides. Deoxyribose sugar is present in DNA. So deoxyadenosine monophosphate, deoxyadenosine diphosphate, deoxyadenosine triphosphate. These are some deoxyribonucleotides, and deoxyguanosine triphosphate, GTP, deoxyguanosine triphosphate, deoxycytidine triphosphate, deoxythymidine triphosphates. So these are the nucleotides in DNA molecules. So DNA is a long polymer of deoxyribonucleotides. Here in two strands in a DNA molecule, these structures, spherical shaped structures, are represent the nucleotides. deoxyribonucleotides. The length of the DNA is usually defined as the number of nucleotides present in it. Okay, bacteriophage known as Sycros 174 has 5386 nucleotides. It must be remembered, important for objective point of view. Bacteriophage. Bacteriophage means the virus which causes infection in bacteria known as bacteriophage, or the virus which infect the bacterium known as bacteriophage. So different types of bacteriophages are there. Here one of the bacteriophage, Sycros 174. Okay, so the Sycros 174 bacteriophage has 5386 nucleotides, whereas bacteriophage lambda has 48,502 base pairs. Base pairs. Each base pair is consist of 2 nucleotides. So bacteriophage lambda has how many base pairs? 48,502 base pairs. Whereas how many bases or nucleotides? 97,004 nucleotides. Okay. So each base pair is consist of 2 nucleotides. 48,502 base pairs means how many bases or how many nucleotides? 97,004 nucleotides. Escherichia coli. E. coli has 4.6 into 10 to the power of 6 base pairs. So base pairs number is varies. The length of DNA is depending upon the number of nucleotides. Nucleotides number is varies depending upon types of an organisms. In bacteriophage, Sycros 174 has 5386 nucleotides. Bacteriophage lambda has 48,502 base pairs. Escherichia coli has 4.6 into 10 to the power of 6 base pairs. So nucleotides number is varies. The haploid content of human DNA is 3.3 into 10 to the power of 9 base pairs. Haploid content of human DNA is. Haploid content present in gametes, male gametes and female gametes. Sperm, male gamete or sperm. Female gamete, egg or ovum. Haploid content of DNA is present. So haploid cells, the sperms, egg or ovum or haploid in condition. So haploid content of human DNA is consist of 3.3 into 10 to the power of 9 base pairs. Whereas in diploid content means that's diploid content 6.6 into 10 to the power of 9 base pairs. Okay. Based on this concept, regarding the NEET point of view, the few NEET related questions we will discuss here. How many types of nucleic acids found in living systems? How many types of nucleic acids? Okay, 2 types of nucleic acids found in living organisms or living systems. What are the options given? Option A1, option B2, option C3, option D4. So among these, which option is the correct answer? Option B. Next is another question. Which of the following nucleic acids act as the genetic material in most of the organisms? What are the options given? Option A RNA, option B DNA, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. What is the question? Which of the following nucleic acid is act as the genetic material in most of the organisms? In most of the organisms, DNA is act as a genetic material. Okay. Next, which of the following nucleic acids act as the genetic material in some viruses? For example, in tobacco mosaic virus, HIV, etc. What are the options given? Option A RNA, option B DNA, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. Which of the following nucleic acids act as the genetic material in some viruses? No, in some viruses, RNA is the act as a genetic material. Option A is the correct answer. Next one, find out the functions of RNA. The given options. What are the given options? Option A, the RNA acts as genetic material in some viruses. So in some viruses, RNA is act as a genetic material. Okay, that is a function of RNA. RNA is act as genetic material in some viruses. That's correct, no? What about the second option? Mostly function as a messenger. So RNA mostly functions as a messenger. Second also mostly functions as a messenger. That is also correct. And C, it functions as RNA functions as adapter, structural, and in some cases catalytic molecule. It functions as adapter, structural, and catalytic molecule. Okay, third option. What about the fourth option? All of the above. Among these, so then what is the correct answer? All of the above. RNA is act as a genetic material in some viruses. It mostly function as a messenger. It function as a adapter, structural, and in some cases catalytic.